In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of WhatsApp Web. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in on your computer for a quick session, and, most importantly, how to log out safely so your messages stay private. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to open the page. You'll see a large QR code on the screen. This is what links your phone to the web session. Next, scan the QR code to sign in with the same account that's on your phone. On your mobile device, open WhatsApp, go to the section where you link devices, choose to link a new device, and point your camera at the QR code on your computer. Make sure your phone has an active internet connection, because WhatsApp Web mirrors your phone and needs it to stay connected. If the scan doesn't work right away, brighten your screen or move a little closer so the code is clear. If scanning isn't available or you prefer another method, you can log in using your phone number when that option is presented. Follow the on-screen prompts to receive a one-time code and enter it where requested. Keep that code private and enter it only on the official WhatsApp web page or desktop app. Once you're in, you can use WhatsApp Web just like on your phone. Your chats, contacts, and media will be visible, and messages will sync as long as your phone stays connected. This is great for replying quickly from a keyboard or sharing files from your computer. When you're ready to log out, look for the menu icon. In a browser, it appears as 3 vertical dots near your chat list. In the desktop app, you might see a gear icon or your profile icon that opens the same menu. Click that icon to open the menu. From the menu, select Log Out. This tells WhatsApp to end the session on your computer. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you intended to sign out. Confirm the action and your WhatsApp web session will close. Your chats remain on your phone, but your computer will no longer have access. For privacy, especially on shared or public computers, make logging out a habit as soon as you're done. If you ever forget to log out, you can manage and remove linked devices from the settings on your phone later. That way, you stay in control of where your account is active. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to log out of WhatsApp Web quickly and securely.